Have you ever wondered about the rich tapestry of festivals celebrated in the Islamic world? Let's dive into it. Islamic festivals possess a deep historical and spiritual significance, bringing together communities in reflection, celebration, and remembrance. Now let's explore the first festival on the Islamic calendar, Muharram. This sacred month marks the Islamic New Year, a time of introspection and prayer. One of the pivotal days within Muharram is the Day of Ashura, observed solemnly by Muslims across the globe. This day holds historical significance as it commemorates events that resonate deeply within the Islamic faith. Muharram, a time of reflection and remembrance, sets the tone for the Islamic year ahead. Next on our journey through the Islamic calendar is a celebration of life, Eid Milad-un-Nabi. This revered festival marks the birth of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Across the globe, Muslims commemorate this day in various ways. Some engage in festive processions, others in charitable deeds, while a multitude share sweets and send greetings. Regardless of how it's celebrated, Eid Milad-un-Nabi, a time of joy and gratitude, serves as a reminder of the Prophet's teachings. Now, we move to the most widely recognized Islamic festival, Ramadan, followed by Eid ul-Fitr. Ramadan is a period of profound spiritual growth and reflection, held during the 9th month of the Islamic lunar calendar. It is a time of community, prayer and fasting from dawn to dusk, a practice designed to promote discipline, self-restraint and empathy for those less fortunate. This holy month is also a time to cleanse the soul, refocus attention on Allah, and practice resilience. Following the completion of Ramadan, Muslims worldwide celebrate Eid ul-Fitr, often referred to as the festival of breaking the fast. This joyous occasion marks the end of Ramadan's fasting period and is characterized by communal prayers, feasting and giving of gifts. It's a time of gratitude, family and celebration, a beautiful culmination of a month of introspection and devotion. From the discipline of Ramadan to the joyous celebrations of Eid ul-Fitr, these festivals encapsulate the spirit of community and gratitude. Finally, we reach the festivals of Hajj and Eid ul-Adha, the culmination of the Islamic calendar. The Hajj pilgrimage is a profound display of faith and unity, with millions of Muslims from every corner of the globe gathering in Mecca. This spiritual journey is a central pillar of Islam, symbolizing equality and brotherhood. As the Hajj concludes, the festival of sacrifice, Eid ul-Adha, commences. This celebration honors the willingness of Prophet Ibrahim to sacrifice his son as an act of obedience to God. It's marked by the ritual of sacrifice, prayers, and feasting. Eid ul-Adha is not just a festival but a time for Muslims to reflect on devotion and personal sacrifice. Hajj and Eid ul-Adha, a testament to faith and devotion, bring the Islamic calendar full circle.